work out fine. So the both of us got together. We made a vow to stick it out for the worse or the better. Unfortunate like you, I couldn't go to school. So you see, my child, we didn't have all the things we wanted to. But your mother understood, and you wouldn't be standing there if she hadn't understood. Your mother understood, and I'm glad she understood. There were times we had to scuffle to get food to eat. I had to wear cardboard under the bottom of my feet. There were times I stood in the unemployment line, but I was out of a job for quite some time. Right now I'm thankful I had a woman like your mother, and believe me, child,